Hello there, this is the Financial Accounting Tutor back with another financial accounting problem. So today we're going to talk about what the sum of years digits and how to calculate it. So to get the formula for the, sum of years digits, it's a little bit different than the straight line depreciation, the double declining balance, and the units of production. It's a little bit different. The sum of years digits is a little bit different. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to take the cost minus the salvage value and you're going to take that times a fraction. That's basically how it's going to work. So to get our fraction, this is what you got to do. So let's see. The useful life is 5 years. So to get your fraction, you got to take 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And you'll just add all these together. All right. Now, this is going to be your denominator. So this is your denominator. Now the numerator is going to be how many years left you have to depreciation. So for year 1, we still have 5 we have 5 years of depreciation to do. For year 2, we still got 4 years. For year 3, we still got 3 years. For year 4, we got 2 years. For year 5, we got 1 year. That's how it works. Now, to calculate this a little bit easier, instead of doing 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, what you can do is you're going to take the estimated useful years of life. So it's going to be 5, and then it's going to be estimated useful years of life again, plus 1. Oh, hold up. Okay. And then we're going to divide that by 2. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. So you can calculate it that way as well. But just remember, you're going to need this 15 because that's the denominator. So let's figure out how to do this. So we got year 1. We've got year 2. We've got year 3. We've got year 4. And we've got year 5. And we've got year 5. All right, so this is going to be the depreciation per year. All right, so to get your depreciation per year, remember it says cost minus the salvage value. So that's going to be 90,000. And then we're going to times this by, let's put this in parentheses, we're going to times this by 5. Because remember, it has to be over 5/15. So it's going to be 90,000 times 5 divided by 15. That gives us 30,000. And let's do this there. All right, and then year 2 depreciation is going to be, now we got 4 years left. So now it's going to still going to be 90,000. The 90,000 is always going to be constant. That's the cost minus the salvage value. That's going to be constant in this problem. And then we got times 4. And then we've got divided by 15. And then year 3, we've got 90,000 times 3 years divided by 15. And then year 4, we've got 90,000 times 2 and then over 15, 12,000. And year 5 is going to be 90,000 times 1 divided by 15. All right, and if we add all these up, it should come up to 90,000. If it doesn't, that means we did something wrong. It comes up to 90,000. That's good. It should come up to the cost minus the salvage value number, because you cannot depreciate more than the salvage value, because that's how much you think it's going to be worth. So this is how you calculate the sum of years digits depreciation. It's a little bit weird when you first do it because it's much different than the other ones. But if you follow these steps that I told you, you got to calculate the denominator first. And remember, it's 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That's if the estimated useful years of life is 5. Now, if it's 3, it's going to be 3 plus 2 plus 1, which would be 6. If it's 2, it's just going to be 2 plus 1. If it's 10 years, it's going to be 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. And you see where I'm going with this. Just remember, when calculating depreciation, the 90,000, which is the cost price of salvage value, you're always going to take that number times your fraction number. You're always going to take that. So I hope you found value in this video. I'm going to be making more videos. Please hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date. I want you to pass your financial accounting class. And I will see you in the next video.